Okay, the following video, we're going to take a look at the C major scale, and we're going to take away some of those open strings. So let's review the C major scale. We're going to go to the 5th string, fret number 1, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Okay, so we're going to start off with the first open string. The first open string that we played is E, and it's in string number 4. Where can we find E? So we have C, D, and E. So the first open string that we find is right next to D, 2 frets down. So we have C, D, and E. We're using finger number 4 to do that E. Now we're going to go to F, right below C, G. The next open string we need to get rid of is the A. So we have A right here in fret number 5, 2 frets down from G. So we have F, G, and A. So we have C, D, E, F, G, A. Then we're going to keep going down, B, C, and D. So that's the next open string we're going to replace. So we have D right here next to C, 2 frets down. So we have B, C, and D. F, G, and A. C, D, and E. We have one more. We have G. That last G, we're going to need to replace that. So we have E, F, and G right here. So we have E, F, and 2 frets down. From F, we have G. So we have E, F, G. Then we go down to string number 5, string number 1. So we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So let's review. So we have C, D, and E, F, G, and A, B, C, and D, E, F, and G, A, B, and C. So now we created this map of playing the C scale without open strings. Let's review that. That's the C scale without open strings.